I have several requests for prices of small refrigerators for condos or small houses. These are the appliances, the small fridge that I see. This one is a 4 cubic fridge from Eurotech. It's a single door. The installment price is 9195 and the cash price is 8329. See, it's in black and silver color. Next one is the Fuji Denso 3 cubic single door refrigerator. The cash price is 7,465. The installment is 7698. Installment means you're paying with card. Next to it is the Fuji Denso first two-door refrigerator. It's a 4 cubic capacity and it has a freezer on the top for cash price of 8798. I will be just mentioning the price of cash because that is the lowest they can offer you, and it's up to you if you want to pay cash or installment. Next, you can see that it's a freezer on the top because it's a two-door refrigerator. Next one is the Easy brand two-door refrigerator. It's 3.2 cubic and the cash price for the Easy is 8,085. Right next to it's the Haier brand two-door 3 cubic refrigerator. Haier, it's 8,545. Again, it's a full function two-door refrigerator with freezer door on the top. There's a single door here from Fuji Denso. Cash price is 11,208. This is a 5.6 cubic capacity refrigerator. Then there is the Everest. It's a 4.9 cubic refrigerator. It's a two-door. The price is only 11,510 for cash. I will just be saying, I have to remind you that you might be seeing the two prices there, but the cash price is the lowest one, so I'll be using the cash price to give you an idea. This is an Everest 5.6 single door at 11,430 pesos cash. Everest offers 5-year warranty for their refrigerator. Then another Everest single door 5.5 cubic at 10,645 pesos cash. There's not much of a difference of the other one, but only the height. They look the same color wise and style wise. Now let's look at some more of the small fridges because this is the one that is requested for small spaces like condos and small houses. Now this is the Samsung, a very popular brand, 6.5 single door refrigerator at 11,275 pesos. You got the freezer compartment on top inside. So it's not separate door. That's from Samsung. Here we have more small fridges. Again, this is the small one. Let me just set the camera right so I could show you properly the feature of this small wrap. This is from Eurotech. Eurotech 2.8 cubic. There's a small freezer inside at 7,995. See all the compartments on the door. Again, it's from Eurotech. Then there's the two-door for Genso. This is a two-door Eurotech at 3.5 cubic at 9915. It has a freezer compartment is separate. This is the most unique fridge I've seen in red, because it's usually white or the silver and black combination. This is from Fuji Denso. It's a 3.5 cubic two-door refrigerator at the cash price of 8,728. There's your cooling fridge compartment on the bottom and the freezer on top. But what's unique, it's red. Seldom you see colored refrigerator nowadays. This is from Haier. It's GE, General Electric brand. The 5 cubic foot single door refrigerator for 10,555. These are not inverter types, I had to remind you. This is another GE single door 6 cubic refrigerator. Again, there's a freezer on the top for 14,530. And this is the Everest brand that offers 5-year warranty single door 6.5 cubic refrigerator. This is 11,990. Next is the Samsung single door 6.5 cubic refrigerator with freezer inside at 11,275. This is just to give you the idea of those that requested for smaller fridges. This is the appliance center of All Home Megastore here in Talisay Star Mall. Look at all the choices you have. Star Mall is located in Talisay City, Cebu, and this is their appliance department inside All Home.